Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make a smoothie today in the Ninja, okay? It's hot out, I feel like a smoothie, alright? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I have some frozen fruit that I took out the freezer. This is peaches. I took a regular peach and cut it up. Frozen strawberries and frozen bananas. Okay, so the amounts is up to you. This equals one peach. I have about maybe 4-5 strawberries and a half of a banana. Okay, all right, so let's load it up. This is the Ninja that we're going to be using, so I'm going to just put them all in. No particular way is okay. Okay. Now you can add water to this. You don't want to add, well, water or juice is fine, okay, or ice cream. I'm adding orange juice, okay, so I'm just going to put maybe 1/4 of a cup of orange juice. Okay, and then the rest I'm going to add water until it gets halfway. Okay, so you can see 1/4 of the cup of orange juice went to there, right? Here's our fruit. So we're just going to add some water. And the reason why I'm adding water is because the fruit is frozen and it's thick. So the water will help thin that out a little so that it's still thick, but not so thick that you can't operate, okay? Alright, I'm going to also add I have some sugar-free sugar-free vanilla syrup. It's the same syrup that they put in your coffee when you go to Starbucks. So I'm going to add 3 squirts of that, okay? One, 2, 3. Okay. Alright. So now we're going to give it a mix. So I'm going to hit the middle button, which is boost, and then start, okay? And it's loud. So once I start it, I will probably cut the camera off until I'm finished because I don't want you to hear the mixing. I'll let you hear it so that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, I just cut it off. Let me just show you what it looks like. See, it's pretty thick, right? Okay, so if it's too thick to sip out of a straw, which in this case this is, you're going to add some more water. So I'm going to add about, okay, I'd say maybe 1/4 of a cup. You don't want to go past the full line, okay? Don't go past the full line. And we're going to put it back on. and mix again. This time I'm going to hit frozen drink. Oh, we're good now. I see it moving. See? I want you to see. See, I can shake it. See? Okay. Now let's put it in a container. So this is the Dunkin' Donuts cup. You can buy 4 of their large cold cups with the lids for $1. They're 26 cents each, okay? So I get 4 at a time. And when I get ready to go out the door, I just pour it right in here in Dunkin' Donuts cup, and I go right on out the door. Okay, now that was a quickie. So, how did you like that, huh? Okay, let me taste it for you. Oh, so good. So if you have a Ninja or something that you can, like a bullet or juicer, why not make your own and save some money? You don't have to go to Dunkin' Donuts constantly and give them $4 or $5 in the morning, $4 or $5 in the evening. I mean, that really adds up, okay? When you can have the ability to do that in your own house. I just showed you how, okay? So the word of the day, save some money, stop going to Dunkin' Donuts, and make your own smoothie, okay? Alright, hit thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Please subscribe. And until next time, God bless.